Can't find the view profile option on TikTok on your iPhone? It could be due to privacy settings or account restrictions. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing view profile option on TikTok on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Profile view option. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right. Now tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll see the option called Profile Views. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my another solution. Solution 2. Report a problem. Open up the Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, my profile view is not working on TikTok. Please help me solve this issue. Now here, add a screenshot of your problem and then upload it here. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the missing view profile option on TikTok for your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.